In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and post manual journals in Xero. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with Xero's accounting tools, understanding how to properly use manual journals is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's start from the very beginning. Once you've logged into your Xero account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a small but powerful plus icon. This icon gives you quick access to several important actions within Xero. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Manual Journal and select it. This will open up the Journal Entry screen, which is where all the important work happens. This template is specifically designed to help you record transactions that may not be captured through regular invoices or bank feeds. Now that you're on the manual journal page, it's time to enter your journal details. This is the most important part of the process, so accuracy really matters here. Start by entering the date of the transaction. Make sure it reflects when the transaction actually occurred. Next, you'll select the accounts involved in the journal entry. Remember, every journal entry must balance, meaning the total debits must equal the total credits, so you'll need to carefully assign the correct accounts on both sides. Then, enter the debit and credit amounts. Take your time here and double-check your numbers to ensure everything is correct. Even a small mistake can throw off your financial reports. It's also a good idea to add a description or narration for your journal entry. This helps provide context and makes it easier for you or anyone else reviewing the records to understand what the transaction is about later on. If needed, you can also include a reference number or attach supporting documents to keep everything well documented. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review everything carefully. This step is very important because once the journal is posted, it becomes part of your official financial records. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see two options, Save and Post. If you're not completely ready or need to review it later, you can click Save to keep it as a draft. But if everything looks correct and finalized, go ahead and click Post. This will officially record the journal entry in your system. Now, if you want to verify that your journal has been recorded correctly, you can head over to the reporting section at the top of the screen. Click on All Reports, and from there, find and open the Journal Report. Inside this report, you'll see a complete list of all your journal entries. This is a great place to review your work, confirm accuracy, and keep track of all manual adjustments made in your accounts. By regularly checking this report, you can ensure your financial data remains clean, organized, and reliable, especially when preparing for audits or financial reviews. And that's it. Creating and posting manual journals in Xero is simple once you understand the steps, and it's a powerful tool for managing your accounting records effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.